I'm heading out early this morning because I need to, well, I'm going to try to go up to a place called Potlatch, which used to be sort of a club resort place, and I'm hoping I can put up the drone and get some footage there. The wind is somewhat down, so hopefully I can get something, but I'm shooting into the sun. Okay, there we go. Sometimes it's hard to drive, film, etc. Well, I got some photos and everything over at Potlatch, and I got the Mavic up, but it gave me a high wind warning. It did pretty good, but I didn't stay up for very long. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. In yesterday's video, remember we had that whole issue with the copyright stuff and those people using my picture and all that kind of stuff? Well, they ended up writing back and saying that it was just an error on their part, and usually when they reshare, they do. But the problem was that what I put up was a video. What they put up was a screenshot. It wasn't an accident, that part. Maybe they forgot to credit it. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. But anyway, last night, the video you saw yesterday, I put it all up, made it all up, put the music to it, uploaded it to Google, to YouTube, and all of a sudden I get a copyright notice on it. So I had to take it down, redo the whole video, put in different music, because it'd be a little hypocritical of me if I didn't. So it took me a little longer last night. Well, I would assume they're getting ready to go, not just drying out the sail. Yep, and they're off. Going along pretty good, too. I think they got the motor on, too. Headed out to my afternoon meeting, and that's actually, let me show you this. Pretty spectacular view. Really low tide. Today is voting for local elections. I'd sort of forgot about it. Kept it in the back of my mind. I don't have anything to do with it, so it doesn't matter to me. But I just went by the liquor store, and the liquor store is closed. I'm not quite sure why everything, well, not everything, but businesses would close to go voting. It's not like there's 500,000 people here. But maybe there's something I don't get on that situation. Remember the people from yesterday from the boat out there? They're back in, sitting at the picnic tables, but this time they were smart enough not to bring their little boat in so close to shore, so they can get back to their boat whenever they want to. Okay, third meeting of the day went well. I might have one more, believe it or not, but they've all been very productive, so hopefully something comes of it, and then we'll see what happens, I guess. Got some really cool clouds out around tonight. I don't know if, who knows, maybe we'll get weather. We got a little rain last night. See that? That's because the wires, it confuses it as to what it's going to focus on. Yeah, it just isn't sure whether it's supposed to focus on the clouds or the wires in the foreground. Okay, Panasonic. Little glitch you can take care of there. Well, they put up the tender boat on deck, so I assume that means they're leaving in the morning. Where they're off to next, I have no idea. Well, tomorrow's Friday. I don't have too much officially on tap. I don't know what the weather's going to do or anything else. Didn't get a beach walk in today because it was so busy. And tomorrow has the potential to be busy, but we're going to have to wait and see. Until tomorrow comes, I won't know, unfortunately. And I like to kind of plan ahead.